Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts. We're back again in the kitchen. Just for another quick, simple, fresh recipe. You know, it's getting closer to where we're in spring, it's getting closer to summer. So in the summertime, I like more fruit and just lightweight sweets instead of the heavy ice cream. Now don't get me wrong, I like my ice cream, but this is just something sweet and it's not like heavy. So I'm gonna turn y'all down and we're gonna get started. This one's got a few more ingredients in it. And I have made this one before, so let's see. It's opposite for me, so it's kind of have to swindle it around a little bit. So I am using a whole chunk of cream cheese. I like the Philadelphia brand better, but when you send your husband to the grocery store, he gets you the cheapest thing he can find. So that happened to be the Walmart brand. So we're gonna make do, and I should have defrosted this a little bit more. It's not frozen, but it's been in the refrigerator. So it would have worked better to be room temperature, but that's okay too. I don't know. Oh, it's 1/3 less fat. See, I wouldn't have got that either. My cream cheese, give me all the fat in it, you know? But let's see. We're gonna use a whole 8 ounces of cream cheese. We're gonna use, this is gonna sound odd, but we're gonna use a whole cup, which is 8 ounces of sour cream. Goes over a little bit, that's okay too. I'm just gonna mix this up together, get it all out of here. And I will probably, y'all ever lick your fingers? It's just finger licking good. Let me get me a big old fork here. And I'll just kind of mix this up a little bit. You back up so y'all can see me better. Or see not me, but what I'm doing better. And I try to use clear glass so that it will give a better view. So if you leave your cream cheese out, you know, for an hour or so to get closer to room temperature, it definitely is easier to stir up. But I don't have a lot of prep time sometimes, so I just get it and go. I'd rather get it and stir it extra 30 seconds than not get to make the video at all for y'all. Okay, so then we're gonna take, because we're using sour cream, we're gonna need about a cup, and that's probably about a cup of sugar. Now that's gonna make it really sweet. So then we're gonna mix this together. And that's gonna make a yummy sauce, or yummy glaze. I have made this quite a few times. So this is what it's looking like. Oh, why it's got a green tint to it, but it's not green by no means. mix it up good now. Anything with cream cheese in it, oh my goodness. It's just yummy. Okay. I'm just going to get this off of the very top here. Okay, so we've used 8 ounces of cream cheese, 8 ounces of sour cream, which is 1 cup, and 1 cup of sugar. Now we're going to use vanilla extract, and it's 1 teaspoon. Mix that in there. And then we've got 1 cup of pecans. That's pecan half. So I chopped it up a little bit on my chopper. This is falling. I just chopped it up a little bit. Some of them didn't get chopped up real good, but I didn't want them to turn into just like crumbs. So now we've got our pecans in there. This is so good. And you would think by the sour cream it would not be good. Oh my goodness. By putting the sugar in there, you've got the cream cheese. Oh, so now it's real creamy. I don't know how many grapes this is. I just got 1 little tray of grapes. I guess to give y'all a better idea, I can see how many cups. That's 1, 2. I had a few, liking a few. So probably about 3.5 cups of grapes is what I had. If I counted right. And we're just going to fold them into it. Now, I could have used a few more grapes because this is a lot. But we can take some strawberries here and cut them and add these to our fruit salad. Just like that. So I'm still going to need some more, so I will either cut up some more strawberries, which is probably what I will do because I have some of those. But it's got the nuts. All right, let me get one. I'm trying to get a strawberry and a grape. Mmm. Mmm. That is fine. Yeah. That's like cream cheese on steroids. That's what that is. So, if you want a yummy dessert that's just quick and easy, and if you love sour cream, if you love cream cheese, this is what you need to make. So, we'll go back over it one more time. 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, 8 ounces, which is 1 cup of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of pecans, chopped up, and 1 cup of sugar, which I keep mine in a little container. And then your grapes, I would probably say probably at least 6 cups of grapes. But I've got strawberries, so I'm gonna mix more of my strawberries in there. But you could use this on any kind of fruit, pineapples and peaches, apples, all the yummy fruits you could put in there and use this as a dip, or you can mix them all in there together. So I hope that y'all enjoy this one because it's good. So y'all let me know if you try it and if you like it, or if you've already tried it. Let me know how y'all like it. So remember that I love you all, and I hope you get to crafting, but get something sweet to eat too. And I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye, y'all.